Looking for the best way to capture high-quality audio? Today, we're counting down the top 5 best digital voice recorders of 2024. Links to all products are mentioned in the description below. Let's get started at number 5. 9. The T9 Digital Voice Recorder Pen combines functionality with a sleek, professional design, making it an excellent choice for discrete audio recording. This innovative device not only serves as a high-quality voice recorder, but also functions as a ballpoint pen, allowing you to take notes while capturing audio. With memory options of 16 GB, 32 GB, or 64 GB, you have ample space to store recordings, which are saved in the WAV format with a 32 kz sampling rate and a recording quality of 512 kbps for clear audio capture. Operating the T9 is straightforward with its one-click recording feature, enabling you to start or stop recordings effortlessly. It also includes an MP3 player function for convenient playback of your recordings and other audio files. The pen's compact size, measuring approximately 14.8 cm by 1.3 km, makes it easy to carry and use in various settings, from meetings to lectures. Number 4. Bletterlaxy. The Bletterlaxy digital voice recorder offers a blend of advanced features and compact design for both professional and personal use. This versatile device functions as both a high-quality voice recorder and a portable MP3 player, making it a great tool for various recording needs. With support for up to 32 GB of storage, you can easily manage extensive audio recordings and enjoy your favorite music in WAV or MP3 formats. The Bletterlaxy features a real-time display for easy time setting and a one-button recording function for quick and efficient operation. Its high-quality studio recording microphone ensures clear audio capture, while the voice-activated recording mode starts and stops recording based on sound detection, saving memory space. For added functionality, the recorder includes a terminal box that allows for recording telephone calls and a feature to play external audio through HD speakers. Number 3. Vanlion V90. The Vanlion V90 digital voice activated recorder stands out for its exceptional audio recording quality and advanced features. With a built-in 410 mAh lithium battery, it offers up to 35 hours of recording time on a single charge and supports simultaneous charging, ensuring you can record for long periods without interruptions. The V90's PC MHD recording mode, with a 1536 kbps bitrate, captures audio with impressive clarity, making it feel as though the speaker is right there with you. User-friendly operation is a key feature, with a simple one-key design for starting or stopping recordings and a variable playback speed function that lets you adjust the speed to suit your needs. The recorder also includes an A/B repeat function for easy review of specific segments of your recordings. For enhanced security, the V90 offers a 4-digit password protection feature, which locks the device and protects your files from unauthorized access. Number 2. Vanlion V15. The Vanlion V15 is a compact and feature-rich digital voice recorder designed for extended recording sessions and ease of use. With a built-in 300 mAh lithium battery, this device offers up to 35 hours of continuous recording on a full charge, and it even supports charging while you record. The V15's high-definition 192 kbps WAV recording ensures that your audio captures every detail as if the speaker were right beside you. Featuring a straightforward one-key operation, you can quickly start or stop recordings, making it simple to use even for beginners. The recorder's OTG function allows for easy file transfer to Android phones equipped with OTG capabilities, adding to its convenience. For those who need to save space, the voice-activated mode records only when sounds are detected and pauses during silence, maximizing storage efficiency. Number 1. Okic. Encased in a durable zinc alloy shell, this recorder is designed to withstand drops and rough handling, making it a reliable companion for all your recording needs. With recording modes supporting high-quality PCM WAV at up to 1536 kbps, it ensures clear and detailed audio capture. The 44-inch OLED screen offers a crisp display for easy navigation and file management, while features like timestamping and automatic file naming by date help keep your recordings organized. The Ockic also supports a range of advanced functions, including voice-activated recording, which starts and stops recording based on detected sound, and real-time monitoring for on-the-go adjustments. Its dual microphone setup with noise reduction capabilities, powered by DSP chips, effectively minimizes background noise for clean audio. That wraps up our list of the top 5 best digital voice recorders for 2024. Which recorder do you think will best meet your needs? Let us know in the comments below. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and hit that subscribe button for more reviews and tech tips. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.